Welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla. Guys, today is 18 December 2021 and we saw IBPS Clerk 2021 examination in four different shifts. I've done complete analysis for all the shifts. And apart from that, I also told you in each and every video what may be the safer attempt and what may be the best attempt. So you can watch the analysis. The videos are available on the channel. So just go to the videos and you see what is the analysis or what is the best attempt, safer attempt for your shift. Now guys, let's talk about the overall analysis and the expected cutoff for IBPS Clerk 2021. Although one day exam is remaining, today is 18th, tomorrow is 19th December, and tomorrow IBPS Clerk 2021 is also scheduled. So we'll be talking all the 3 days examination together, and then we'll predict the cutoff. But it is the time that we can predict the cutoff, or we can do the analysis based on the today's examination. Guys, what we saw today's examination was not much of difficult level. Talking about the quantitative aptitude, guys, simplification we saw, wrong number missing number series we saw, and DI question we saw. Only 10 question, 11 question or 12 question from the arithmetic. In the same way, if we talk about the रीजनिंग एबिलिटी पोर्शन, तो गाइस पजल और सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट का जो रेशियो है, जो पोर्शन है, जो वेटेज है, वो घटा है, वेयर एज मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चंस वेटेज हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज. सो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड फॉर द स्टूडेंट बिकॉज मिसलेनियस पोर्शन हेल्प द स्टूडेंट टू मैक्सिमाइज देयर अटेम्प्ट. उसके बाद बात करें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का, नाइदर मच डिफिकल्ट नॉर मच ईजी किस तरह बोलूँगा, क्योंकि कहीं कहीं हमें क्या मिस स्पेल्ड वर्ड देखने के लिए मिले, जो कि हम IBPS क्लर्क से उम्मीद कर सकते हैं. Like if I talk about SBI clerk examination, because both are the clerical level examination, then I can say that the IBPS clerk was much easier as compared to the SBI clerk. So guys, what can be the cutoff? So guys, talking about the cutoff or the best attempt for today, so guys, I have reports of some student who attempted 80 plus, 85 plus, 90 plus attempts. I have the reports of the student who attempted 60 plus, 65 plus, 70 plus. But the majority of the students that I talk to, I would lie in between the attempts of 70 to 85. ठीक है, इस तरह से जो रहा है बच्चों का रहा है कि 70 से 85 या फिर 80 से 85 बच्चों ने ज़्यादातर अटेम्प्ट किए हैं. एंड गाइस, टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ, सो व्हाट वी सॉ इन टुडेज एग्जामिनेशंस, कि whether you talk about SBI clerk, SBI PO, RRB clerk, RRB PO, see all these examination we saw, cutoff was a bit higher side as compared to the previous year, whereas the question paper level was also the higher side as compared to the previous year. But in IBPS clerk 2021 we saw there's no any huge difference in between the level of the question paper in between this year and the last year. So you can predict the cutoff. Definitely cutoff is going to be high as compared to the previous year, but not much high, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर का जो लेवल था आज के, अगर मैं बात करूं 18 दिसंबर का, तो वो इजी रहा है बच्चों. ठीक है, आप लोगों को पता भी होगा, मतलब जो लोग बिल्कुल बिगिनर लेवल पे हैं, जो लोगों ने तैयारी भी नहीं करी थी, दे आर अटेम्प्टिंग 56, 57, 60 क्वेश्चंस गाइस. And people who were ready, exam ready, or who were well prepared for the examination, they attempted easily 75 plus 80 plus in the question in the examination for the general category I'm talking about. So guys, yes, तो cutoff उसके according जा सकता है. So this is what I wanted to discuss with you. Please let me know in the comment section box once more if you were the part of 18 December or 12 December examination, कि what was your attempt in the examination, and on which day you were the part of the examination, on for which shift, and what is the accuracy level of yours in the examination as well. Please share with me guys. Thank you very much.